Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County and east central New York until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitehall, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Washington County, including the following locations: East Whitehall, North Hebron, North Grenville, Raceville, Dresden Center, Middle Grenville, South Grenville, Kingsbury, Adamsville, and Snowdy Dock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Salvini or Twitter at Salvini. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, New York,